start now?
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be a video on my fire alarms. I got the EST Genesis speaker strobe, and it will actually not. It's not in a system, but we could ask somebody who knows how to make a system make it for us, so we don't have to make the system. And this was this is an Edwards EST speaker strobe for a pole station. We got a Firelight BT12. It's easily pulled. You can easily reset it. But first, always get your PEX lock and make sure it is unlocked and it will reset. So, and yeah, if you want it to be activated, this says activated and this is normal. You want it on normal and lock it. I'll just say it's hooked up, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now they're hooked up. Now we will be testing it, but the strobe won't be flashing. There's a lot more to this video, and actually the speaker strobe is now hooked up. We can change how it sounds, and I will change the noise of it. So I just gotta have the back box. Good. Okay. The speaker strobe will be set it off again. Just different noise. Just a different noise. Attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest fire exits and do not use the elevators. Repeat, do not use the elevators. So